Ladies and gentlemen, ooh, camera's a little foggy. Alrighty, but all the equipment's sitting outside of the barn, and last night I was looking through videos and I was like, heck, I haven't really talked about something new that I got. So for the hay business, now we got this I think it's a 96 348 wire tie square baler. We also have we got two new things and a new tractor for the hay operation, and last night was a very heavy dew. I think my camera's just gonna keep fogging up. But the DB60, the tank on the top is messed up, and then Jacob said one of the row units is completely messed up. Wow, my camera just keeps fogging up. But that's messed up. A row unit's messed up. Oh, this must be that row unit that's, yeah, 18's completely messed up. On the 90, this tank is messed up a little bit. You might be wondering where the other tire is. The other tire is on the 60, because when I was playing with the 60, the whole entire wheel bearing sheared off right here. So that was not fun or not good. So that's why the 90 doesn't have a tire. We had to rob a tire to keep the 60 rolling. But that's the new square baler right there. It's actually a really nice baler. I gotta go down to the combine because we're gonna be working on the corn head today. But yeah, this is a extremely nice 348 wire tie. Has the big pickup head on it, and this thing will absolutely eat some hay. I wish it had the hydraulic pickup. It doesn't have the hydraulic pickup. It just has the hand crank pickup. But we're gonna put a hydraulic arm on it because these things absolutely suck to try to get into road mode. So we'll at least put that on it, and we may put the hydraulic pickup. Just depends on how hard it is. But let's go down to the combine. We just made it down here to the combine, and it looks like Jacob's already here. So let's get in the combine and fold the corn head up so he can take it apart. Been a minute since we've drove this tractor. Oh, she's dead. That's no good. That's no good at all. Runs like a champ. Out of all of the tractors that we have, this 8320 sounds the best. It just sounds so good. Might be the fact that it has a nice big old straight pipe on her. This tractor just sounds amazing. It's really good. Yep. Are back on 30s, so we can't use this tractor to run roads, which kind of sucks unless we want to change the front. But my future plan down the road is to go back to Arkansas to farm, and I want to keep this tractor on the farm because this tractor will go back down there and it will be my tractor, so it'll save me a lot of money to leave this tractor on 38-inch roads and to put this tractor back on 30s, even though we have the correct dish in it right now for 30 and 38. I just don't want to jack with that, and it looks cool. Chain all squished up. We're gonna get this tractor down to the farm, and we're gonna put it on an auger. Oh, it's wet right here. I don't want to splash mud everywhere. But we're gonna put this tractor on the auger because the 4430, camera fell back. The 4430 is still getting the clutch put in it. I wish the 4430 would get its clutch already. And it looks like them soybeans where the pivot hit knocked them on over because they're that dang tall. Those are some freakishly tall soybeans. They're like 4 foot, 5 foot. They're huge. But let's get this to the farm. So we're gonna put an auger in this corn bin here. Already has some corn there on the ground, not a whole lot of corn. So this bin will be corn. And they're over there with the 8320 and the auger. So we gotta climb to the top of this bin, and just like that, so we made it top of the grain bin. Each one of these bins are 50,000 bushel. There's 200,000 bushel here between the 4 of them. This big old cornfield. Pretty nice up here. So they're gonna get the auger, bring the auger up here. Whew. That was a great leg workout. I'm out of breath. Coming on up here. That, and it's hot and humid. But let's get this auger put in the bin. So we are picking corn right now. This corn's down, so we're going slow. We're running about 2.4 mile an hour, as you can see there on the post. But first time running the corn head on a combine. It's not that bad as long as you get lined up with your rows perfectly. It's very, very nice. Corn head does a very nice job. You guys can see down there. We got brand new snap and rolls on this corn head. Then we got the Yield 360 chain savers on this combine, well, on this header. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Need to go down. So right now we're just trying to stay below this corn that is knocked down, so we can stand it back up, run it through the combine, and get the ear off of it, which is working pretty good. A corn reel would be a bit better. I'm gonna speed up here a little bit, but this corn head is very finicky, so you kind of got to be careful whenever you're cutting, because where the header connects right there and right there on both sides, it likes to try to plug right there, which this is a first year of the folding corn head. I don't know on the newer folding corn heads if they have that issue. We can lift up through here, but definitely need to attach a GoPro, because recording and cutting corn is about one of the hardest things to do. But not too bad. Corn's doing a lot better than what I was thinking it would do. You almost have to stay just about perfect on these rows in order to feed them, which at the beginning of each row, the corn there for about 20-30 foot is a lot taller than once you get out here. So you can run a lot faster at the beginning, and then you get out here to this corn, and some rows are knocked over and some rows aren't knocked over, so you have to slow down. So at the beginning, you can power in pretty fast and get into this junk here a lot quicker. But I'm ready to cut the field there behind the house because that field will be a lot better than what this corn here is, because it's all standing. So I might actually be able to get across that field pretty quick. Not too shabby. This corner right here, here's a down section. Get over. Just trying to go off the center road here, but I'm kind of bouncing all over between row to row. About 30 inches is what I have, and then you have about 3 inches in between the row that you can maneuver with. So you don't have a whole lot of wiggle room, but not too bad. There's the monitor. Could be a lot better. Oh, we got a ball right there. Get that ball fed through. Grain tank's 3/4 full.